Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Conversations with the Empress. I am the Empress. And today I found a very interesting place to eat breakfast. Because on the weekends I'm normally craving breakfast. So I found this place called CYNDIA'S out in Totowa, New Jersey. I just picked up my food because it was too crowded in there to eat. And I'm kind of weirded out with COVID. Sorry, last time I said fuck it, I caught the shit. So but the place was nice. I ordered a smoothie, breakfast empanadas, and their Cajun shrimp and grits, which should be interesting. But I just got in my car. It's freezing. It's like 10 degrees in New Jersey right now, which is weird. So the first thing that I'm going to try while I'm in the car is this smoothie. It's just a mixed berry smoothie. They use yogurt, so it should be interesting. You see all the little berry seeds and stuff in there, so you're definitely telling that you're getting real berries. Definitely tastes healthy. You could taste the yogurt. As far as smoothies go, I'll give it a good 8 out of 10, which is not a bad score for a smoothie. But it definitely tastes healthy and it definitely tastes fresh. So, 8 out of 10 on a smoothie. Now I'm going to drive home, set up, and we about to eat this breakfast together and see what's really good with CYNDIA'S. Okay. Okay, you guys, we have another meal here today. The place that I went to again today was called CYNDIA'S. And let me just start by saying this place was jumping. I had never heard of it before. It was super busy. The people in there were super nice, like super accommodating. Like if it wasn't so many people in there, I definitely would have sat in there and ate because the customer service was amazing. And I got that feeling just off of placing an order to go. I had ordered that smoothie. They gave that to me first so I could enjoy that while I was waiting. And the food really didn't take that long. For as busy as it was, really didn't take that long. So I hope that is a sign of what's to come with this meal. So again, I have the breakfast empanadas and I have their Cajun shrimp and grits, and it has 2 poached eggs on top, which I thought was interesting. I'm going to try these grits first. Like whenever I try shrimp and grits, I try to taste the grits alone first. The grits by themselves are flavorful. Definitely has peppers and onions chopped up in there. Very flavorful. Not lacking on any of the flavor. Good job. Let me crack into one of these eggs now with the grits. Egg is cooked perfectly. Fluffy, buttery. Delicious. Yes. Very hearty. Very hearty. I like the seasoning they have here. Got the yolk popping off in here. Yes. Y'all did this. Okay, CYNDIA'S, y'all did this. Yes. Now let's get into this shrimp right quick. Say the best for last. Okay, I like that they take the tails off the shrimp because y'all know I don't want to be digging in my shrimp to get a tail out in my grits. So thank y'all for that. Y'all just winning right now. Okay, so I got me some shrimp right here. Yes. Yes, CYNDIA'S. Y'all did not disappoint. Mm. Mm. The eggs that, I mean, there's tomato in there. Fresh tomato cut up. I could tell. Everything is so fucking fresh. Mm. Yes. Everything fresh. The peppers, the onions, the egg, the tomato. Mm-hmm. Child, I need to be by myself. Mm. That is outstanding. So, what I gave that smoothie? Gave the smoothie an 8. Shrimp and grits with the poached eggs, 10 out of 10, baby. Okay? It's rocking. No complaints. Now let's get into these empanadas. I have never had a breakfast empanada, but as you can see, beautiful golden, look like they were cooked well. They give you a side of sour cream and salsa, which I think I should try without it first because I need to know what y'all working with without the extra extras. Mmm. Okay. One thing I will say is the empanadas cook perfectly, and it's 100% filled. How many times y'all don't went to get an empanada from the bodega or whatever, and you break the empanada open, and all the meat's in one side and the other side's empty? No, this thing is full, packed to the brim. So let's try with some of this salsa and some of this sour cream right quick. Very good. Got some eggs and stuff. I don't even know what's in there. I just see some eggs and some other breakfast stuff. It's good. My only complaint is that I feel like there could be a little bit more seasoning. Definitely some salt and some pepper. And I could go for a little bit of spice. Maybe some hot sauce or a spicier salsa. Outside of that is good. Reminds me of when I make my Mexican omelets. Except they don't have ground beef. Which I feel will be good. Maybe that's what I'm missing too. Some meat inside of this empanada. If there is meat, I can't tell. I just see eggs. So these empanadas, I'll give these about an 8 out of 10 as well. Yeah. I will definitely be going back to CYNDIA'S to try more stuff. Super impressed with these grits though. Like super impressed. Okay. So, y'all have seen me eat enough. Y'all know I want to be alone with my food. So let me give y'all this rating so I can go on and get the hell on, okay? So, smoothie I gave an 8. Shrimp and grits, I gave a 10. Breakfast empanadas, I gave an 8. So my overall score for CYNDIA'S is a 9 out of 10. Which I feel like if I eat there a couple more times, it's probably going to be a 10 out of 10 because this was excellent. Like, I'm very impressed. I didn't know what to expect. And with breakfast places, like, I never really know what to expect. But I was pleasantly surprised. Y'all need to go check out CYNDIA'S. They do lunch as well from their menu, what I saw. So they have something for everybody. But go check them out. Very much worth the trip. You won't be disappointed. 9 out of 10, CYNDIA'S. Keep it coming. Hey, yo. Thanks for watching. My contact information is below. Please go like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is, as always, appreciated. If you want to show that support with them dollars, though, throw your girl a cash app. You feel me? Until we meet again, smooches.